G'day guys, we're back at our hive, ready for our first harvest. So we're pretty excited. You can smell the honey, it smells absolutely beautiful. What we're going to do, we worked out the correct angle, which Flow Hive gives us. We have a level here, but about 3 degrees. So we've worked out these 25mm packers. We just lift them out, take them out, and that gives us a really good flow of the honey. So we might do that first. There you go. All right, and then we'll get into our hive. So this is the one we're gonna harvest today. I mean, they're all getting really close to being ready to go. So what we'll do, we'll get into it. Take our top piece out, the bottom plug. And the back door here. Alright, let's watch the flow. On the top, we might just do a couple first, just to hear it cracking.